Discover how EDA Luxury Beauty's press-on nails can elevate your style and boost your confidence in seconds. With EDA Luxury Beauty, you can achieve a professional manicure without the salon price. Their luxurious nails give you that instant glamour you crave. This complete kit includes 24 press-on nails, a nail file, and pink gel nail glue. That means you can find the perfect fit for every finger. Once applied, enjoy a durable, waterproof, and chip-proof finish. Perfect for keeping your nails looking fabulous longer while being safe for you too. Applying these stunning nails is super simple. Just align, press, and hold for a few seconds, and you're ready to flaunt. Hear it from our users, I was a little wary, but these nails feel like my natural nails. Gorgeous and easy to apply, she said. A truly satisfied customer. If you're ready to try these luxurious press-on nails, click the link in the description to get yours today. And remember to subscribe for more amazing product reviews.